Hello and welcome. In this video, we will review a slightly different variation of problem 5, which we solved in the previous video, and we stated that box 1 contains 3 red and 2 blue marbles, while box 2 contains 2 red and 8 blue marbles. A fair coin is tossed. If the coin turns up heads, a marble is chosen from box 1. If it turns up tails, a marble is chosen from box 2. Find the probability that a red marble is chosen. In problem 6, we say that the one who tosses the coin does not reveal which side the coin turned up. The only information that is revealed is that a red marble was chosen, and now we want to find the probability that box 1 was chosen. Let's see how we can solve this problem. From our solution of problem 5, we know that the probability of heads turning up or tails turning up is the same, and the probability of selecting a marble from box 1 or box 2 is also the same, which is 0.5. This is because the coin used is a fair coin, so all possibilities must have the same probabilities. We also calculated the probability of picking a red marble as per the conditions specified in problem 5, which is 2 by 5. In problem 6, we don't know which side turned up in the coin toss, and the only information revealed to us is that a red marble was chosen. We can use Bayes' theorem to calculate the probability that box 1 was chosen. The posterior probability, that is the probability that box 1 was chosen given that the chosen marble was red, is equal to the prior probability that box 1 was chosen times the likelihood of picking a red marble given that box 1 was selected. And we divide this product by the evidence term, which is the probability of selecting a red marble considering all possibilities. Luckily, we know the values required for these probabilities from our solution of problem 5. The probabilities of selecting box 1 is 0.5 and the probability of picking a red marble is 2 by 5. And the probability of R given the box 1 is selected is 3 by 5. Since when we know that box 1 is selected, there are 5 marbles in box 1 and 3 of them are red marbles. So there are 3 possibilities out of 5 to pick a red marble from box 1. Plugging these numbers gives the probability of selecting box 1, given that a red marble was chosen, is 3 by 4. In the next video, we will start lecture 2, which is about random variables and probability distributions. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.